Hey, what's up everyone? Finn here. We're going to go through how to use Contact's GGD program in Ableton so you don't have to return it. So I'm assuming you took the plunge and have both programs, Ableton and Contact to get good drums. So to start off, we're going to have you open up your plugins folder, open up your VSTs. You see Contact here. Now get Contact out and put it onto a MIDI track. We'll drag that over. So now if you have Contact open, and if you have some sort of MIDI keyboard like me, you can map this out. I'll show you how I figured out how to do it. I'm not sure if this is the official way, but it works for the function I'm using it for. I looked at every walkthrough and went down every path I could find, but I couldn't find what I was looking for, or I couldn't understand the 50-step process. So you got your drums open. I use GGD. Hopefully your drum VST can do all this as well. So pick a kit. I picked Aggressive Rock patch. Now click on the settings. You'll see the drum kit names and some buttons next to them. Now you see the keyboard down there? You can reassign those. Mine are already assigned, and they should come randomly assigned. Just click on the red button, and then press in the desired key on your piano, and you can assign them to what you want. But now, let's integrate that into Ableton. So go to your Contact track, and you see we have no track here, so you got to create one. So make a little track, whatever, mine was up there. Double click on it, and you should make your little piano. So now we'll start in scale mode. So you got to scroll to find your keys on the keyboard to add them to the beginning of the track. So here's one. Grab this. Make a little track. So you do that for all of them. Do that for all of them. Then once you're done, click the fold button. And that'll add all of them together. And guess what? It bunched them all up for you with the allocated keys. How about that? We've mastered it. We've mastered time and space. Now you're ready to make your own track. Just be sure to remember you can adjust the metronome in the top corner. Doing so. Now you don't have to try to return GGD. It works, and now you're ready to make some dope beats. Get to it. Thanks for watching.